Hello and welcome to the Greenworks Garage. In this video, we will be going over the unboxing and assembly process for your new Greenworks product. We will cover the items that come in the box along with any steps necessary for assembly. As always, we would like to thank you for your purchase and for joining the Greenworks family. Open up the box and remove all the parts inside. Please be sure to read the included documentation before assembling and using your chainsaw. If you are following along during the assembly process, your new Greenworks product is now ready for use. For more details and safety information, please read the owner's manual provided. If you have any other questions about this product or other Greenworks tools, be sure to check us out on our website, greenworkstools.com.